Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you are new to the channel, welcome. Today I've got another super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making a pair of easy and elegant tea light holders. So what you're going to need, you will need some of these teardrop pendants. They are from EFavormart. EFavormart is an online retailer of event decor, event lighting, event supplies, and so much more. I will have EFavormart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. Now from Dollar Tree, you will need 2 packs of these round tea light holders and 2 packs of these star-shaped tea light holders. If you cannot find these tea light holders at Dollar Tree, you can use whatever shapes they have in stock. You can also use thrifted tea light holders. Now I will be using both hot glue and tacky glue in this project, but if you like to make any of these components permanent, please use something like E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will help to make it permanent. These are the items that we'll need in order to complete this beautiful project. If I decide to use additional items or alternate items, I will list those in the description box below for you as well. Let's get started.